Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting here on the daily chart for the bullish and bearish scenarios that we might see, of course, and that it might unfold for the next price action. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse towards the upside, finishing wave A or wave 1. After both case scenario, WXY is a perfect correction wave for a wave B or a wave 2. Meaning, in bullish scenario, you are in A, B, and a C toward the upside. You would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuation for higher prices in a wave 3. In case you are in A, B, and a C, of course, as well, you would like to see a wave C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C. The difference between the yellow and the blue count is, of course, that the yellow can still have even higher prices with a wave 4 and a 5 continuation for higher. Your bearish scenario is, of course, now we have a short-term bearish scenario where we are looking to finish, of course, this probably correction for, of course, a 1, 2 after having an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You would like to see here a WXY finish for a wave 2, and now another 1, 2 internally, which we're gonna take a look closer on the 4-hour chart. This is your short-term bearish scenario. You would like to see higher prices starting from this perfect fib levels for a wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish wave 3 or wave C. In a bigger bearish scenario is a W, X, and a Y, and you have here 3 waves down, and this has transformed to an X, of course, in somehow in a WXY as well, complex structure inside it, and you're looking for a wave Y as a zigzag, of course, to be finished. You have finished first a zigzag and you have finished your X, and now currently you're looking for another zigzag where you have finished your wave A, B, and a C. So let's dive deeper in the 4-hour chart to see what's going on here. So inside this 4-hour chart, we can see, of course, that we have a nice impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 4 did not interfere with the zone 1, so perfect impulse. And of course, we have 3 waves toward the downside in WXY. So where you have a zigzag, flat, and another kind of like fast zigzag, or might be this is your wave A for another structure, B and a C, finishing this wave Y soon or later. Now, if we dive deeper as well on the 4-hour chart and we take a closer view here, we can see, of course, that possibly that we have finished a leading diagonal here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, it has a little bit lower possibility because your wave 5 has reached the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the wave 3, meaning your wave 5 is longer than the wave 3 in a few cents. And this, of course, makes a question mark if this is still a valid leading diagonal or not. In case it is not, this is an ABC, of course, and an X, where you have, of course, another A, B, and a C to be finishing, of course, a wave Y. You have finished currently an impulse toward the downside, of course, which is a 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. And of course, you're still looking, 4, 5, 4, 5, and you're still looking right now for a correction probably, or an impulse toward the upside, where you have hit probably as well in WXY. A wave 2, as you have, of course, here probably, and a wave A, B, and a C correction, and then, of course, a kind of like, A, B, and a C, of course, after a shallow wave X here. So probably can be, of course, it can be a WXY here, hitting perfectly the 0.618, 0.786, and moving for higher in a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. If we take a closer look here at the 1-hour chart, obviously that this is an impulse toward the upside. We're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Knowing that here, of course, if in case you are in 1, 2, and then 3, 4, of course, this your invalidation point is exactly at this area, which we are very, very close to it. Invalidation of a bearish. And this will turn this wave into a zigzag. Impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then of course another wave impulse here. So A, B, and a C. So we're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. Your price for invalidation is the following 338, meaning if we dive inside this price action, which is very close and higher possibility since this looking like an impulse, and of course we are in a bullish scenario as higher possibility. Yeah, so very high possibility that we are in a bullish. Careful that we move for higher massively. Of course, we need a 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5. Yeah, so but yeah, very nice price action. So let's watch and see what's gonna happen for TAO. Let's see this invalidation works, and if it does, of course, then higher possibility that we are in a bullish scenario, unless of course something else is unfolding here. And if we are in a bigger 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4, it is the same invalidation. Therefore probably we have here finished as of course a zigzag for W, as you can see, X, and then a zigzag for another W, and finishing wave 2 with it and moving for higher. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Trade safe. Bye bye.